Major domains of the Earth. Life exists on the Earth due to the presence of three main domains: the oceans, seas, and other water bodies which fill the depressions of the Earth's surface represents the liquid domain, which is also known as hydrosphere. The vast expanse of air around the Earth represents the gaseous domain, which is called the atmosphere. The narrow zone of contact between land, water, and air, where all forms of life exist, is called the biosphere. And lithosphere, which includes all types of land masses. The large land masses on the Earth are called continents, while the large water bodies that surround the continents are called oceans. There are 7 continents in the world. In decreasing order of size, these are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. All these continents are surrounded by 5 oceans, which are Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Pacific Ocean. Africa. Africa is the second largest continent. It is surrounded by the Mediterranean Sea in the north and the Red Sea in the northeast, the Indian Ocean in the east, and Atlantic Ocean in the west. Africa was unknown to the rest of the world until the middle of the 19th century, as inland penetration was difficult and dangerous. That is why the Europeans called Africa the Dark Continent. Now, there are more than 50 independent nations in Africa. The continent has a huge plateau surface. Although there are no high mountains or extensive plains, the special physical features include vast deserts and the Great Rift Valley. Nile is the most important river here. The main deserts are Sahara, Kalahari, and Asia. Asia is the largest continent in the world, both in terms of area and in terms of population. Asia is surrounded by the Pacific Ocean in the east, the Antarctic Ocean in the north, and the Indian Ocean in the south. Asia is a land of high mountains, vast plateaus, extensive plains, and fertile river valleys. The Himalayas are the highest mountain range in the world, and Tibet is the highest plateau. Mount Everest is the highest peak, and the Dead Sea, which is the lowest part of the earth, are found in the continent of Asia. Therefore, Asia is known as the continent of extremes. Australia. Australia is the smallest continent and the 6th largest country in the world. Along with New Zealand and other nearby islands, it is called Australasia. Australia lies to the southeast of Asia. It is separated by Indonesia by Arafura Sea. Australia became independent on 1st January 1901. Today, it is divided into 6 states and 2 centrally administered territories. Canberra is the capital of Australia. A major part of Australia is a plateau with a few low, isolated mountain ranges. The Great Barrier Reef is a unique feature found along the northeastern coastal of Australia. It is built by corals. Antarctica. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent. It is centered roughly around the South Pole. Due to thick ice cover, it is known as the White Continent. Antarctica is roughly circular in shape and extended beyond the Antarctic Circle. The mainland of this continent was first discovered in 1820. The Antarctic Treaty, signed in 1959, permits the use of continent only for peaceful purpose. Antarctica has a couple of mountain ranges and a vast plateau around the South Pole. It has few known resources. The continent provides great scope for the scientific study of weather. This is also called the continent of science. Europe. Europe is the sixth largest continent. It looks like a peninsula extending westward of the Asiatic landmass. The Europe and Asia are together called Eurasia. Europe is a continent of high mountains and vast plains. The Alpine system is a chain of high mountains extending from the Atlantic Ocean in the west to the Caspian Sea in the east. Mount Blanc is the highest peak in the Alps, while Mount Elbrus is the highest mountain peak in Europe. North America. North America is the third largest continent. It lies entirely in the northern hemisphere. Canada and USA together form Anglo-America and cover about 75% of total area of North America. North America has ancient plateaus, mountain ranges, and extensive plains. The central and southern part of prairie region is drained by the Missouri and Mississippi rivers. The prairies lie between the Rocky Mountains and Appalachians. The Grand Canyon, carved out by the Colorado River, is the deepest of its kind. The coastal ranges are a part of the Ring of Fire. South America. South America is the fourth largest continent. South America is surrounded by the Caribbean Sea in the north, the Atlantic Ocean in the east, and the Pacific Ocean in the west. The lowlands occupy about half of South America. The three river system, namely Orinoco, the Amazon, and the La Plata, drain this region. The Amazon River basin is called Selvas, and the La Plata River basin is called the Gran Chaco.